The garden looks different this morning. Can't say exactly what's changed. The rose is still open like always, but something feels rearranged. All the colors drained away, all the colors drained away. The sunrise came through my window. The birds still sing their old songs, but every note sounds like it's borrowed, like none of them quite belong. All the colors drained away, all the colors drained away. Everything's gray now, everything's faded. All the colors drained away. When did the world turn to water and ash? When did the paint start to peel? I'm walking through rooms that don't feel like home, and nothing seems solid or real. All the colors fade away, all the colors fade away. Photographs look like they're aging, decades compressed into days. The faces I knew are still smiling, but vacant behind the gaze. All the colors drained away, all the colors drained away. All the colors drained away, all it's drained away. All the colors drained away, all is drained away. All the colors drained away, all the colors drained away. All the colors drained away. All the colors drained away, all the colors drained away. Skirts heavy. The rubbing's rubbing, the early morning, the born the things to stack you running your sensible flame, sharing what's up, popping like the sun and the bottom, colors drain away. When did the world turn to water and ash? When did the paint start to peel? I'm walking through rooms that don't feel like home,